I was always fond of anesthesia because my father is an anesthesiologist as well, but I also wanted to become a surgeon. So I thought that pain management would be a middle ground where you get to have your foundations from anesthesia, but at the same time, pain management allows you to do more things with your hands. You're not exactly a surgeon, but you're a proceduralist, and that's one of the things that drew me to pain medicine. Also because I have a heart for this patient population, and I think it's a very noble cause to dedicate your life to alleviate people's pain and suffering. I treat a whole patient. I do not treat a picture. So oftentimes when we see an MRI or some imaging modality that would point out to a certain pain generator, we would jump to think that, okay, that's what I'm going to treat. In fact, what makes my specialty interesting is that sometimes the image findings do not necessarily correlate with the degree of severity of the problem. So I always focus on my patient. I always focus on what is meaningful to them. I pride myself in doing pain procedures, but that's not the only thing I do. So I try to look at my patient from like a wholesome level, see what lifestyle modifications we can apply, medication management, psychological management as well. The first time I see the patient, and I open all my interviews with this, I like to listen and learn from the patient. I know that I know pain medicine very well, but they know their body better than anyone. So I would like to spend the time for them to educate me about their pain experience so that this could be whatever decision is made, whatever management plan is agreed upon would be like a two-way street where we both are partners in this decision-making process. Always in my follow-ups, I ask, what are things that you were not able to do before seeing me or before having the procedure and that you're now able to do? And I love those stories about like, oh, now I'm able to carry my kids, or I'm able to do to help with housework, or I'm able to go out and enjoy time with friends. And that to me is why I do this.